Hey, I'm Jason Sharon with Home Loans Inc. I'm here to talk about the 5 ways to make sure that you win a manual underwrite. Every single file in America, every mortgage file, gets submitted to an automatic underwriting system, and it slices and dices that file into 100 different layers. Credit score, credit history, income, assets, ratios, job stability, and it assigns a risk factor to each one of those layers. It adds up all those risk factors and gives one of 2 responses: approve or refer. If it's an approved file, it's an easy-peasy loan. If you get a refer, that's what's called a manual underwrite, and that's what you may be going through right now. If you have these 5 things on a manual underwrite, I guarantee you're going to get approved. I closed 40 loans like this last year, manual underwrite, with these 5 things. First is no late payments on your credit report in the last 12 months. That's 0 late payments in the last 12 months. Second thing is you can have up to 2 30-day late payments on your credit report in the last 2 years. That's 2 30-day lates in the last 2 years. The third thing is whatever the new mortgage payment is, you need to have 2 times that amount as a cushion in your savings account. So if the new mortgage payment is $1,500, you need $3,000 in a savings account that's not going to be used during the transaction. So that's after you've closed, you still have $3,000 in the account. And the reason for that is it shows that you don't live paycheck to paycheck. The fourth thing is stable job history. No job gaps greater than 30 days in the last 2 years, and no more than 2 job changes in the last 2 years. That shows that you're stable, your income is going to continue, and we're not worried about you losing your job. The fifth thing is verifiable on-time rent history for the last 12 months. So that means that you've got clear checks that are timely dated and that cleared your account for the last 12 months, or you're renting from an apartment complex and they could give you a record of account showing that your last 12 months have been paid on time. If you got those 5 things and you need to get a loan, the experts here at Find My Way Home will be able to get you into your new house. So you may find yourself in a situation where you don't have all 5 things. Maybe you've had 4 job changes. Maybe you've got 3 late payments instead of 2. Don't give up hope. We may be able to help you out, but I know that if you have those 5 things, we can definitely help you out. There may be extenuating circumstance. Maybe there's a compensating factor that we can overcome what you are missing. Give one of the experts here a call. We understand what you're going through, and we'll do our best for you. Thanks.